In this video, we're going to be talking about how to complete Fortnite Dark Voyager Questline. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you need to do is reach Plankerton. You must be in Plankerton or higher to start the Dark Voyager Questline, by the way. So once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and head to the Quest tab and then look for the Dark Voyager Questline.
It's 1 o'clock.
So you want to go to the Quest tab and then look for the Dark Voyager Questline under the Events quest. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and complete all the quests that it has to follow. So there are 8 quests in the Dark Voyager questline. Each quest has multiple objectives. Simply go ahead and complete the key objectives. So example of objectives will be like complete missions in Plankerton missions, destroy encampments, collect blue glow, and many, many more. Simply go ahead and play the recommended mission types that it will go ahead and recommend to you. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and unlock your reward, which is going to be Dark Voyager, the legendary outfit. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.